Today's laptop repairing case study. Laptop USB port is not working. After that, I will check on laptop USB IC and I will check 5 volt supply and get IC is not working. After that, I will remove on this IC, both are IC. And I will check working or not. IC removing after sorting available on not this PCB. I will check properly, and IC number 1 and 5 number IC lag jumper on these legs. Both IC lags 1 number and 5 number jumpering. After that, I will check this jumper is working properly. I will check USB port working. After that, I will check USB lights that time complete on this laptop motherboard. Working on USB fitting, USB working. After screw packing this motherboard on this laptop body, and I will check touchpad properly, laptop assembling. After that, trim keyboard attaching, and I will check laptop start completely. Hard disk,
माउस लगाया था वो चल नहीं रहा था उसके लिए ले आओ नहीं
please visit on Balaji Infotech for laptop repairing, laptop chip level repairing. I will check laptop working or not. This power adapter connected, and after start on laptop display are working properly, and I will check laptop start. So please come Balaji Infotech.